Hey guys, Mr. Smith here. I am going to talk to you a little bit about expectations. There's a couple things that you need to understand that might be a little different than that fourth quarter from last year. First, our grades. They're going back to normal. It isn't going to be as lenient. We know you know what you're doing. So now what we do is we expect a lot out of you. If we want to learn, we need to make sure that we are grading appropriately. If things aren't turned in, if they're late, it's to the teacher's discretion on how they're going to take care of that. But everything will be graded and everything will be expected from you as it was the first three quarters. It's back to normal grading. Turning in work. There's several different ways to turn in work. The first two, Edulastic, Alex, those are turned in through that system. So you must be logged in. You must be using it. Quizlet, those are turned in. Those are shown. We can see the work done through there. The other way, the teacher may give an assignment through the Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, you have to make sure you do turn it in. You do the assignment. You turn it in the way the teacher tells you. Everything that is assigned will have a thorough description of exactly what to do and how to turn it in. Make sure you're always paying attention to that. And the final thing is about communication. Okay? If you ever have any questions, if you need an answer, you should probably use the teacher's email. That is the best way. It's a primary resource for teachers to communicate back and forth. We always have our email available for you guys. Use your specific teacher's email. Any question is fine. Ask the teachers, and they'll be back to you within probably a couple of hours, or most times, assuming you're in the regular school day hours. Another way possibly could be the teacher says it's okay to post comments and to ask questions through Google Classroom. That's completely up to the teacher's discretion. They may say yay, they may say nay on that, because it can get lost through the email thread because we get emails frequently throughout the day. So, okay, that's just our little rundown on expectations because we are going to be remote learning right now. Look forward to more videos and more explanations of things in the future. This is Mr. Smith signing out.